Hello students, myself Ravi Mishra. Today we discuss the transportation of food in plant topic. In this video we discuss how the food transfer from leaves, especially mesophyll cells, to all parts of the plants. We know that the transportation of food such as translocation in plant take place by phloem tissue. The movement of food material through phloem depend on the action of living cell called sieve tube. We know that leaves make food by the process of photosynthesis. The food made by leaves is in the form of simple sugar. Other type of substance called plant hormones are made in the tip of roots and shoot. Every part of the plant need food, so food made in the leaves of a plant has to be transported to all the parts of the plant like branches, stem, root, etc. The food manufactured by the leaves of a plant is transported to its all other parts through a kinds of tube called phloem. The transportation of food from the leaves to other parts of the plant is called translocation. Thus, phloem translocate the food made in the leaves. The movement of food's material through phloem depend on the action of living cells called sieve tubes. Now, we discuss about the sieve tubes. Like xylem vessels, phloem is made up of many cells joined in to form long tube. However, the end wall of the cell which form phloem are not completely broken down. The end wall of the cell in the phloem form sieve plate which have small holes in them. These holes allow the food to pass along the phloem tubes. The cell of the phloem are called sieve tubes. Sieve tubes which form phloem are living cell which contain cytoplasm but no nucleus. Each sieve tube has a companion cell next to it. The companion cell have nucleus and many other organelles. Companion cells supply the sieve tubes with some of their requirement. We know that the food is made up in the mesophyll cell or photosynthetic cell. The food like sugar made by the mesophyll cell of a leaf enter into the sieve tubes of the phloem. Interconnected phloem tubes are present in all parts of the plant. So once the food enters the phloem tubes in the leaves, it is transported to all parts of the plants by the network of phloem tubes present in all the parts of the plant like stem and roots. The translocation of food from leaves to other parts of the plant is necessary because every part of the plant needs food for obtaining energy, for building its part and maintaining its life. Now we explain the mechanism of transport of food in a plant by this graph. The sugar made in the leaves is loaded into sieve tubes of phloem tissue by using energy from ATP. Water now enter into sieve tubes containing sugar by the process of osmosis, due to which the pressure in the phloem tissue rises. The high pressure produced in the phloem tissue moves the food to all parts of the plant having less pressure in their tissue. This allows the phloem to transport food according to need of the plant. Now the food transport in plant is completed. Hello students, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos. Now in next video we discuss about the blood.